Lines and 3, 2, 1, go.
Lower bracket round 3, match number 10. Once again, let's find out who's staying in and who's going home for these robots heading down to the neutral zone to pick up as much of that fuel as possible as these human players let it rain on. And these teams evenly matched so far with 5 seconds left in all time. Only 1 or 2 points separate each one of these as they're delivering their last few shots into their activated hubs. As we're getting ready for teleop. Once again, evenly matched teams here as every single robot just about heads directly to the neutral zone and is mopping up and fighting for control of that fuel. And red is going to need it as their time to put it into their hub. Bullabots as well as the Voodoo Voltage doing just that. But Voodoo Voltage seems to be serving on some fuel, and let's see if they can get free. And they're shooting anyway while still being parked on top of that fuel and now saved by their alliance partner. Team Phenomena, Siege Robotics, and Ogre now controlling the neutral zone, and it is now their time to rain it on into their hub. With all 3 robots doing just that. They're playing catch-up. Only 40 points separate them, and they're doing every single thing they can to bring it back into their favor. The defense coming from Alpha Omega to slow it down, and with that, the Blue Alliance has now taken the lead, still with 5 seconds left of an activated hub to add more fuel to the fire. Red Alliance now with an activated hub, waiting patiently as Bullabots and Voodoo Voltage puts it on in there. Alpha Omega running some defense to try to fight for control of the fuel that comes right out of their hub. The Siege Robotics is doing what they can to try to steal as much as you can as them 2 robots are still letting it rain on down. And down the Red Alliance has taken the lead. Blue Alliance ready though, as Team Phenomena is delivering a river of fuel as well as the human players into their hub. Joined by Ogre, they're going ahead and just emptying out their tanks into their hub, but a big steal coming from Bullabots to take a massive amount of fuel from the Blue Alliance and deliver it back to their side. Few seconds remain in the blue activated hub, and they're letting it rain on down and pour down as it is in game time. With less than 5 points separating these teams, it is anyone's game as all of these robots are now cleaning up as much fuel as you can, and both teams are pouring it in to fight for the lead. 15 seconds remaining, less than 5 points, and they're going to all empty out every single thing from their side of the field. 10 seconds remain, and the Red Alliance has started to pull away, but the blue is not giving up as they're less than 10 points and playing catch-up with 3 seconds left. 2, and that's going to end round 3, match number 10. Are in your winner, the Red Alliance, with a score of 339 to 306. The Red Alliance will be advancing to the lower bracket round 4, match number 12. However, the Blue Alliance will be eliminated. Y'all give it up for Team Phenomena, Siege Robotics, and OGRE Ogre. Excellent performance here.